Stirring it.
Stirring them
Yeah,
up.
you want to make these three, Kevin?
Here's your spoon. Here's Callista's spoon.
What color are you doing now, Bo?
Good job.
No, blue. I'm just waiting. We'll see.
Okay, okay.
Can you see? Whoa, it's getting darker.
It is. You want to put one in the green?
What do you have, Callista? Let me see.
She has yellow.
Here.
Good job. Oh,
Oops.
Look, darker.
good job.
Which one's darker, Bo? Which one's darker?
Okay.
The orange one.
That's really dark.
Dark orange.
You got a tray or something? Then he can put the eggs on these things instead of back in there.
Well, you probably could do it.
Huh?
Pop little holes out where they can sit in here.
Good job.
I'm saying that's what these things
Stir and stir.
Wait, what?
You all done?
outside.
Wyatt, get in.
P. P. You want your spoon?
Get it, just
Say please.
you poke this thing out or you